once I was told that the best compliment a cook could ever get, it was silence. And for track day organizers, I guess it's somehow the same. And the best compliment we can get is our participants in our events achieving unbelievable lap times. So that has been like that along the years on Trackrat Club, and we are so proud of it for what it means, because having people doing the fastest lap times on your track days, it means that the track is clear, that the traffic is good, that so many things around that they mean that the job of the organizer is being really well done. And also gathering the best drivers, because if the best drivers they want to take part on your track days, that means a thing also. So 7 years ago, when the goal for the very fast guys on Parmotor, it was get below 2, get under the 200 mark, already we had Nando Navas with his Honda Civic Type R nailing an astonishing lap on 1:53 that you can watch on our channel also. We will leave you the link on the description. Well, that lap stood for a long time as the fastest lap on a track day ever on the track. So 7 years later, everything has improved, better cars, better drivers, track is more or less the same, but now the goal that we are going to beat, the lap time we are all trying to get, is going below 1:50. So again, it happened on a Trackrat Club track day, and we got one of our drivers to get a 1:43.9 lap with his KTM X-Bow GT4 that you can see the onboard now on this video that follows. So enjoy.